wabarakatuh, and good afternoon everyone. My name is Muhammad Farhan Najmi, number metric 10 DPU 24 F1073. I'm from student for Polytechnic Nkoma. Today I want to present about the chemical characteristic for air conditioner system. Okay, number one is refrigerant chemistry. My point is air conditioner use refrigerant like R22, R14A, R32 or newest ones that undergo phase changes, liquid to gas and back, absorb and release the heat. Okay, my second point is chemical refrigerant. I usually use HFC, CFC and HC. Okay, my third point and last, my third point is important properties. The important properties is number one, my point is high length of vaporization. Second point is chemical stability, and third point is low toxicity and low explosivity. Second title is lubricant chemistry. My point is the compressor in the air conditioner uses a special oil that is compatible with the refrigerant. Okay, so for example, with R14A refrigerant, you usually need polyester oil because it can mix properly and that gas can be cooling. The title is material compatibility. My point is the pipes, usually copper or aluminium, must resist corrosion from the refrigerant and lubricant. The second is seals and gaskets must be chemically resistant to avoid leaks. So the second point is leaks. Avoid the leaks. Okay. The last title is chemical reactions or degradation. My point is over time contaminants like moisture, oxygen or acid can cause chemical reactions. That is have a point. Like the point is like break down refrigerants and lubricants. The second is create acids that corrode metal parts, a big maintenance issue. Okay. That's all for my presentation for today. If you like my contents and my video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay. My name is Muhammad Farhan Najmi from Student Polytechnic Nkoma. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and good afternoon. Bye bye.